I will show you how to get the best version of yourself by continuously learning. Unlock your potential in just a few minutes. Meet Lee, a voracious reader who devoured books on philosophy, physics, and anatomy. Shannon Lee writes about how Bruce Lee, the martial arts legend, immersed himself in learning every single night, not just to master his craft, but to understand the world and himself better. Why should you care? Because this relentless thirst for knowledge can be your superpower too. Imagine the endless possibilities when you keep learning, no matter your age or experience. Lifelong learning isn't just a concept, it's a lifestyle. Each new skill, each new piece of knowledge is a step toward becoming the best version of yourself. So, pick up that book, take that online course, or dive into that new hobby. Embrace the journey of lifelong learning and unlock your full potential, because the adventure of knowledge never ends. Stay curious, stay unstoppable.